Video script, AI and the Future of Climate Resilience, Building Smart Ecosystems. Introduction. As climate change accelerates, adapting our ecosystems becomes increasingly urgent. Artificial intelligence (AI) could be the key to creating resilient environments. In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming climate adaptation and helping us build smart ecosystems for an uncertain future, why it's important climate change is already affecting weather patterns, biodiversity, and resource availability. Leveraging AI for climate resilience is vital for sustainability, enabling efficient resource management, predicting environmental changes, and enhancing biodiversity conservation. Understanding these technologies is essential for anyone concerned about our planet's future. Main insights. 1. Optimized resource management. AI algorithms analyze vast data sets to optimize water usage in agriculture, predict droughts, and improve land use. For instance, machine learning models can forecast crop yields based on weather patterns, aiding farmers in making informed decisions and minimizing waste. 2. Predicting environmental shifts. AI can anticipate ecosystem changes by utilizing satellite imagery and climate models. This allows for early identification of areas at risk of degradation, enabling proactive measures to protect biodiversity. 3. Enhancing biodiversity conservation. AI technologies, such as camera traps and drones, facilitate wildlife monitoring, enabling researchers to track species populations and habitats. This innovation supports the protection of endangered species and the preservation of biodiversity as climates evolve. Practical steps. 1. Utilize AI tools. Explore AI applications in your field: agriculture, conservation, or urban planning. Be seeking platforms that offer predictive analytics tailored to your needs. 2. Invest in training. Equip your team with data science and AI skills. Understanding these technologies will empower your organization to make informed decisions. 3. Collaborate with researchers. Partner with academic institutions or tech companies specializing in AI for climate science. Collaborative projects can lead to innovative solutions and amplify your impact. Common mistakes: underestimating AI limitations. While AI offers great potential, it's not a panacea. Combine AI insights with human expertise for optimal results. Neglecting data quality. AI's effectiveness hinges on data quality. Poor data can lead to inaccurate predictions and misguided strategies. Overlooking ethical implications. Consider the ethical aspects of deploying AI in sensitive ecosystems. Transparency and accountability are crucial for maintaining trust and effectiveness. Conclusion: the intersection of AI and climate resilience offers exciting opportunities for building smart ecosystems that can withstand the challenges of a changing planet. If you're passionate about sustainability and innovation, harness the power of AI. Let's take actionable steps together to secure a brighter future for our environment. Source list. Source I. Example URL for sourcing information on AI applications in climate resilience. Actual sources to be collected based on your research. Note: replace the placeholder for the source list with actual URLs and data when finalizing the script. From Data to Nature: how AI is revolutionizing climate adaptation. Introduction: as climate change accelerates, innovative solutions are essential. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence aids in protecting ecosystems, managing resources, and adapting to environmental shifts. In this video, we explore how AI is reshaping climate adaptation and fostering resilient ecosystems for future generations. Why it's important. Climate change poses a significant threat, affecting weather patterns and biodiversity. Traditional approaches are often reactive, but AI enables proactive strategies that enhance resource management and biodiversity conservation, vital for sustainability in a changing world. Main insights. 1. Predictive analytics. AI analyzes extensive datasets to forecast environmental changes, such as predicting droughts or floods by identifying patterns in historical climate data, allowing communities to prepare effectively. Point 2. Resource optimization. AI tools optimize agricultural water usage, ensuring efficient irrigation that conserves water and maximizes crop yields, thereby enhancing food security in vulnerable regions. Point 3. Biodiversity conservation. AI monitors wildlife and ecosystems through computer vision and drones, providing real-time data on species health and habitat conditions to inform conservation efforts. Practical steps. 1. Data collection. Gather environmental data from satellites, weather stations, and sensors to support AI analysis. Point 2. Implement AI tools. Use machine learning algorithms to analyze data, starting with software that predicts environmental changes and assesses ecosystem health. Point 3. Collaborate with experts. Work with climate scientists, ecologists, and technology experts to interpret AI findings and develop actionable strategies for local or national implementation. Common mistakes or cautions. Over-reliance on AI. While AI is powerful, it should complement human expertise. Combine AI insights with knowledge from environmental scientists and local communities, ignoring local context. Ensure AI models are tailored to specific ecosystems, as generalized data may overlook local conditions. Data privacy concerns. Be mindful of privacy and ethical issues when collecting data, particularly regarding personal or sensitive information. Conclusion. AI is not just a technological advancement, it's a vital ally in combating climate change. By harnessing its capabilities, we can create resilient ecosystems and secure a sustainable future. If you're interested in climate adaptation and AI's role in it, subscribe for more insights. Guardians of the Earth, AI strategies for thriving ecosystems in a changing climate. Introduction. As climate change accelerates, our planet faces unprecedented challenges. Artificial intelligence (AI) may be the key to building resilient ecosystems and ensuring a sustainable future. Join us as we explore how AI is transforming our approach to climate adaptation, why it's important. The urgency of climate adaptation is critical. Rising temperatures and frequent natural disasters threaten ecosystems, leading to biodiversity loss and habitat destruction. AI can optimize resource management, predict environmental shifts, and enhance biodiversity conservation. A recent report indicates that AI integration can improve ecosystem monitoring efficiency by over 30. Main insights. 1. Predictive analytics for environmental shifts. AI algorithms analyze vast datasets to predict changes in temperature and precipitation, enabling informed decisions on resource allocation and conservation strategies. 2. Optimizing resource management. AI revolutionizes resource management in agriculture, water, and forestry. For example, machine learning can analyze soil data to determine optimal crops, reducing waste and enhancing yields amid climate variability. 3. Enhancing biodiversity conservation. AI-driven solutions, such as computer vision, monitor wildlife populations and endangered species, aiding conservation efforts and improving our understanding of ecosystem health. Practical steps. 1. Leverage AI tools. Use AI-powered platforms like Google Earth Engine for environmental monitoring and ecosystem health assessment. 2. Collaborate with experts. Partner with AI specialists and environmental scientists to create tailored solutions for specific ecosystems, fostering innovative strategies. 3. Educate the community. Raise awareness about AI and climate adaptation through workshops and seminars, encouraging local engagement and collective action. Common mistakes or